So friends, this is an old case study which I am taking, and it will definitely enhance your knowledge and it will help you to develop more clarity on equity market. Let's start this case study. So today I am going to take a specific case study, and that is for Coca-Cola. Its equity share fell recently drastically. And when you will hear the reason why it fell, then definitely you will be quite surprised. It will definitely be a learning for you. So what happened is that you can see the chart of Pepsi. This is Pepsi chart and this is Coca-Cola chart. There is a slight downward trend in this chart, and what happened was Cristiano Ronaldo removes Coca-Cola bottle at press conference. Company takes USD 4 billion hit. The market value of Coca-Cola fell by 4 billion USD. Yes friends, just removing a bottle can cost company such a huge amount. We used to say in our class, we used to derive the concept, but we have never said this type of things in our class, that if Cristiano Ronaldo removes Coca-Cola bottle, then whether share price will decrease or increase, and if it is decreased, then by how much it can decrease. These are market determined forces. So nobody can estimate the fall in the share price and with which event market will like and which event market will not like. It is definitely a thing to watch for. It is a continuous learning. So what happened was, I am showing you the video what exactly happened at that press conference, so you will have an idea why share price of Coca-Cola fell so drastically. Let's play this video.
With a celebrity as big as Cristiano Ronaldo, you expect a huge impact on a product's brand value, be it in a good way or bad. And his Coke and water gesture at a recent press conference did not let us down on that front. The Portuguese star does not seem to be a fan of carbonated drinks. At the press conference prior to Portugal's game against Hungary, Ronaldo removed 2 Coca-Cola bottles from the table in front of him before holding up a bottle of water to the room and declaring people should drink water instead. And guess what? This isn't the first time the football icon has expressed his disapproval for aerated drinks.
Not yet. I'm hard with him sometimes because he drink Coca-Cola and Fanta sometimes, and I'm pissed with him. I'm fight with him, and when he chips and fries and everything, I don't like it.
The gesture coincided with a dent on Coca-Cola's market value. Coca-Cola shares were worth $56.1 each when the market opened in Europe on Monday, but by the end of the press conference, they had fallen to $55.2 per share. This is a 1.6% drop in the share price, which means a $4 billion worth of loss in market value. Coca-Cola's worth went from $242 billion to $238 billion, reflecting an erosion of $4 billion in just a few hours. That said, Coca-Cola's market cap has clawed up to $238.9 billion now, and the stock's value has risen back to $55.41 a share. Coca-Cola, which also happens to be a sponsor of Euro 2020, said, "Everyone is entitled to their drink preferences. and that everyone has different tastes and needs.
So I hope now you have understood some concept regarding it. So Cristiano Ronaldo wants to say that Coca-Cola is not healthy. You should drink water rather than Coca-Cola. Coca-Cola is injurious to health as per Cristiano Ronaldo. So definitely it will give a negative signal in the market. All the fans, all the fan followers of Cristiano Ronaldo will definitely now will prefer another health drinks, water or any other drinks, and they will not prefer Coca-Cola. It is estimated, it is assumed. That's why market fell so drastically. Cristiano Ronaldo is a big personality, and if he has stated something, then it will be taken by his millions of followers. So you can now understand why equity market is considered to be the most riskiest market. It can rise and fall with any news, and you cannot estimate. You can definitely research all these things previously, so that when you are entering into the market, you are well prepared that these things affect market prices. Coca-Cola responds after Cristiano Ronaldo gesture wipes off $4 billion from its market value. So Cristiano Ronaldo's Coca-Cola snub followed by $4 billion drop its market value. Market value concept we used to study in our class. What is market value? It is market price per share into number of equity share. And when we divide market value with number of equity share, we get market price per share. These all equations, this all concept clarity we have already given you in class. But it is quite surprised that once a time Cristiano Ronaldo used to endorse Coca-Cola. So it is quite surprising to know that why he is so much against Coca-Cola now. However, Coca-Cola is not a bad company. Coca-Cola is a good company. Coca-Cola is a profit-making company. One of the world's biggest company is Coca-Cola. Coca-Cola India post net profit of 619 rupees crore. It's a huge profit. Even in the time of pandemic, COVID-19, they are posting profit. That's really commendable. Coca-Cola revenue is rising and it's raised by 42%. Again, a very good outlook for Coca-Cola. Coca-Cola sales rise by 20% in India. Coca-Cola to denote 50 crore towards COVID-19 vaccination. So you cannot be so much negative against any company. And they are also bringing and they are diversifying their health products. Coca-Cola aims to double sales in India as local brands gain ground. Diet soft drinks. The sales of diet soft drinks are rising. 7 strategies Coca-Cola used to become one of the world's most recognizable brand. So you must study all these things. You must study the success history, success story of big companies so that you can frame your own policies. Whenever you get time, you should study all these things with our class discussions, and with this type of practical knowledge, definitely you will have an advantage and you can definitely think of entering into finance career. So when we researched Coca-Cola India website, we could see all the products offerings which they are giving in India, like Thumbs Up, Sprite, Fanta, Maaza, Limca, Kinley. So these are all products of Coca-Cola. They have diversified their product range. Indian actors and actresses also endorse so many products in this segment, whether it is Coca-Cola, Pepsi or any other brand. So you must have about डर के आगे जीत है, सलमान खान, आमिर खान, रणवीर कपूर, अक्षय कुमार, Taste the Thunder. So these all are Indian actors and actors who endorses these type of products. Shah Rukh Khan, Fruity, Hrithik Roshan. So definitely they have a brand value, and these companies' success story must be studied so that you can enhance your knowledge, and when you will be selected for this financial position job, so that you can also contribute in company sales, profitability and growth. So friends, this was a case study, and definitely this is based on equity market, because by just removing a bottle, share price and market value can fall by 4 billion USD. Thank you friends. I will just request you to keep on updating your knowledge day by day and keep on your research, because ultimately at the end of the day your knowledge will take you where you want, and knowledge is power. You must be aware of all these things which are happening in equity market. This is a learning phase, and you must pass this phase to become a champion. Thank you so much.